Hello everyone, Hamel here. First, as always, a quick disclaimer. So I just wanted to go over the performance for 2020 and then close the books and then move forward since today is January 1st, 2021. So I hope everybody had a great New Year's Eve and I wish you all a happy and prosperous New Year. Happy, healthy, safe, and prosperous New Year. So let's just close the books for this year. So the year was really good overall for me and my portfolio. So these are all the indexes that I normally look at. These are the accounts. So this IRA account is an open source account, so I can invest in no options in any of these accounts, but I can invest in any stock. So it was up 42%, 42.6. 401k account, which is a closed account, meaning I can only invest in funds, was up 62%. The IRA plus investment, so this plus this on an average was up 65%. There's another account involved as well. And then the growth stock, which is the high octane stocks, was up 84.8%. So this is a huge year. Now, I don't know what 2021 will give, but so just closing this out. So I'm closing the year at 38% cash across all my assets that I invest in. Now, want to look at the batting average here. So I had total 180 trades or investments I made. This includes across all the accounts. So every single, even if there was a one stock I traded 3 times, 4 times, it will be counted as 1 for 1. So total 180 trades, and I only had 3 losing trades, which is actually a problem. So I will go over it in just a second here. So batting average was really high. My average loss was 4.5%. My average win was 7.5%. Average day of holding on an average for those 180 trades was 42.8 days during the course of 2020. Now, my biggest resolution for 2021 is to have a stop loss on all my trades. Now, in a very rare case, if it's a long-term investment, I may not have a stop loss. But in most cases, I need to have a stop loss, and my stop loss would be 7.5%. So that's the goal I want to keep. I struggle taking small losses, and that has affected my portfolios negatively and my performance negatively in 2020 and years prior. I don't know how much I will be able to live up to that resolution. However, you guys will know because I post everything ahead of time, and I give weekly and daily updates. So that is one thing I want to see, that I want every trade to be risk managed. So I don't want to lose. I want to lose a certain dollars or percentage that I know ahead of time. So that's the big thing for me going into 2021. Now, so these are all the trades. So all 180 trades. This includes all the different accounts that I have investments in. So I don't even have to look because it will take some time, but I can tell you most of those. So these arrows, this is for the 401k's sake in most, to the most part. So the red is a sell, the green is a buy. So if we look at those numbers I just went through, I guarantee you I made most money in this time. I made most of my trades money made this time and in this time. So in the uptrend, obviously, and one may say that's a common sense. However, so it's critical to be in trend with the market is the whole point I want to bring home here. So that's that. Let's go back to, so that's that. And then these are my current holdings as we are in 2021 now. So these are the ones I still hold across all accounts. So my worst performing asset or a stock is 60.8%. And my best performing is 321%. So as we can see, there's a lot more red going into 2021. So I will have to make up some grounds right off the back. Again, I don't know how the year will end in 2021. We will know when the year ends. We're just starting. I hope we have a great year. I will get what market gives me. I'm not going to push any trades or anything. So we'll see how that goes. But this is where this is where I'm starting the year. And if I can really live up to my resolution of having a stop loss or a risk-based plan for every investment and trade, I believe I will be better off. Doesn't matter what the performance would look like, but I think that will be much better for me over the course of time. So just wanted to close this out. So 2020 is behind us. I measure basically everything because you need to know your numbers, in my opinion, and you can only improve on something if you know where you stand. If you have no idea, if you're just slinging trades here and there, looking at bank balances, it would not really show the true color of the behaviors that we possess and what we need to improve on. I started doing this since 2019, and it really has helped me. And I would recommend that everyone should do the same in some capacity. It doesn't have to be a spreadsheet like this, but something that helps you do the analysis of a post-trade analysis as you're having a plan before you enter a trade or an investment. So that's all I have. Again, have a great day, and have a great year. And I'll speak to you soon. Take care.